And maybe.
Okay, I think I've figured something out here. I believe I need to upload a whole bunch of videos from my phone, and that should improve the performance. I got rid of some.
Maybe we'll go back to the thing,
Here's
brush it, hit the dark,
Bob Ross painting.
just load it full of paint. Really load it full of paint.
I think it might rain today.
Inspires us to always keep learning, because what we learn will transform your smiles with constantly advancing technology and Dr. Admar's world-class
There's Bobby's
education.
taste
Empire
explosion
Dentist
this
goes above
morning.
and beyond to bring you an
And here's
exceptional
mine.
experience.
If I give him this, he will die.
Care and an empathetic approach to general and cosmetic dentistry.
I'm bringing him inside. I think it might rain today. 18 degrees, and it's 6:45. Well, he could do the Mission Impossible today, but I don't think it's going to be too warm today. About average. Got no apricots this year. It was too cold over the winter. And the strawberries didn't do very well at all. But the peas are doing well. These are purple peas. I've never grown purple peas, so that should be interesting. The parsley and the chives are doing okay. I'll pick some more. What is that called again? I bought some other herb. It's called Gigantico olive herb. Well, let's see how that works. Speak no evil, see no evil. Yeah, I made this deer fence 2 years ago. They don't like to jump over 6 feet, so it's keeping the deer out, the pests from the back, but they still come in through my driveway. Okay, Bobby, you want to see your new buddy?